Hi guys, Ron Ashpole here with Helping Hands International. Hope you're doing well and enjoying the first part of 2024. As you probably know, there's been devastating floods in California, and here at Helping Hands International, we are ready to deploy teams and send help however we can. If you'd like to support this effort, we would love your financial support. There's a lot of need down there, and costs a lot of money to help people. So if you would like to help the victims of the flooding in California, please go to our website and make a donation, helpinghandsinternational.com. Thank you so much for prayerfully considering this request, and God bless you.